So today is Black Friday and we wanted to get AirPods Max and we were looking like everywhere here like Best Buy and other places where if they have any offer. We even went to the Apple store to see if they have any offers, but they only gave us a gift card. But then I just randomly saw an AirPods Max which wasn't available in Staples, but it was just right next to the Apple store. So we just went there to see. They had $100 off, so we just wanted to go and check if they have any stock. And they just had one, which was an open box. Someone just got it today and they returned it, so just the box was open, but it wasn't used. So because of that, they said they'll give another 10% off on that. So we pretty much got like a really good deal on that. So the actual AirPods Max is $780 right now, Canadian, and we got it for $610. So we literally got like $170 like offer. So it was a really good deal, but it was an open box. But you know, it's not used. But we just got that, and I just wanted to do an unboxing of this. So let's get into it. So this is the box for the AirPods Max. So this is like the most expensive, you know, headset or headphone you can get right now. We have like pretty good competitors for this, but those prices are like pretty low. We have one from Sony, we have the Bose Quiet Comfort. Those are pretty equal when it comes to like audio quality, but then like the noise cancellation on this, it's like pretty good compared to those things. But then the price point is pretty wide between that and this. So you know, we got a good deal, but if you want to get it without any offers, we have to literally pay, at least in Alberta here, like we have to pay at least 800 with GST. So yeah, let's open this. So the box is already open, so it's not sealed, so I'm just gonna open the box. So yeah, right after we open it, we just have the headset itself. So yeah, this is the headset. It's pretty heavy. Oh, it's actually really heavy. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. And yeah, we only have some paperwork here, and then we have I think this is USB to Lightning. Oh, they don't have USB-C in this. So yeah, USB to Lightning, and that's pretty much it in the box. Let's open the headset. So yeah, this upper part which you keep on the head, that's made of this kind of a mesh material, and this is kind of a silicone kind of thing. I guess it's metal inside, and then the outer covering is silicone. Yeah, and then this one is covered with the wrapper. So let's try to open this now. Oh, okay, so this one is already in this kind of a case, which you can keep the headphone in. So I think it's magnetic. So yeah, we have the plastic here, and then it goes away like this. Yes. Yeah, plastic is off, and then so yeah, this is the case. Which, it looks like, I'm not sure if it's leather or kind of leather-like material, but looks like leather, feels like leather, and it's a magnetic case. So I'm just gonna open this. Let me just lift these off. So yeah, this is the case which you store it in. Don't think they have anything else in this. Yeah, so yeah, there's a kind of a it's a really good quality, but yeah, it doesn't look like leather. Looks like kind of leather, and inside they have this kind of Alcantara material. And then this is the headset. We got this space gray because we didn't have any choice, because this was the last one which they had, and they were basically sold out of. There wasn't like a single AirPods Max in any of the Staples. This was the last one they had. So yeah, and then they have some protective covering for the muffs. So yeah, and then yeah, this area, like these two areas, like, oh, just getting some fingerprints if I keep my hand. But yeah, this one has good like brushed metal finish. We have a lightning connector here, and then there's a lighting indicator. They have this nice cloth kind of a finish, which looks good, and it says L and R inside. If we're going to use it, we have to twist these two, and then on the left we have, I think this is a microphone here, and there's also a microphone. No, this is a microphone, I'm sorry, I'm not sure what these are. I think probably sensors, or I think it's for the transparency, for the outer noise to pass through if you keep it in transparency mode. And then on the right side we have this button. This is to switch between to basically turn on noise cancellation and turn it off. And then there's a dial here to adjust the volume. I think we also have like a touch area here, I'm not sure. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear this and see. The noise cancellation was on and I couldn't hear myself. Now I can hear it, it's turned off, and I'm gonna turn it on now. Oh yeah, I can basically listen to myself very less, even if I talk. The fit is good. It's actually really nice. Doesn't feel that heavy when we actually wear it, but if we hold it in hand, kind of looks heavy. Yeah, that's good. Looks good. Yeah, so let's connect this to. Unfortunately, like all our iPhones are recording right now. So yeah, I'll probably just connect it to my wife's iPad, and we'll play some music and see how it is. So yeah, I have the iPad here, and I'm just gonna try to connect this to the iPad now. Usually it should just detect on its own. So yeah, there's a white light on the bottom here blinking. So if that happens, yes, we got it here. So I'm just gonna click connect. It says media and call control is that. Only has 25% charge, so we have to charge it. But so I'm just gonna put this and do a sound test. Yeah, it's connected. Oh, noise cancellation is on. I'm just gonna turn it off for now. Oh, is this in transparency now?
Yeah.
Oh, I can. I don't even feel like I'm wearing this if I keep it in transparency. Okay. Bass is good. I'm gonna turn on the noise cancellation now. I think it's like there's not much difference like when you're actually playing music inside like a silent room, because the room is already silent. We don't actually see much difference between like transparency and the noise cancellation, not the noise cancellation turned on. But we actually tried this in the Apple store, where there were like 200 people inside the store today, and we did play music and we turned on the noise cancellation. Like that's when we could actually see the difference. You know, we don't need to actually turn on the noise cancellation like when we're using it inside like a room or something. Yeah, the bass and everything, like nothing is actually like too much. It's all like balanced and everything is really good. So yeah, this is a really nice headset, and you know, I don't know, like kind of feels sweaty, just the inner part. But I'm a person who doesn't use a headphone like a over the head headphones. But yeah, I think my wife liked this. She did like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the unboxing and the small test. So AirPods Max, I would say like it's a good buy if you really want it. You know, if you are in an entire Apple ecosystem where you just use like Apple products, like pretty much MacBook Pro, iPad, everything. I think the switch between this, it's basically like having a normal AirPods or AirPods Pro. You know, the switch is different. It's just the connection and everything is like seamless compared to like if you get another headphone. So, or if you're gonna use it on something else, then I don't think this is gonna be the right thing. This is only good if you're gonna use it with Apple devices. So that's when you can actually give the price which is this is being sold for. So, you know, the maybe like $200 more than the other headsets which we have. So yeah, that's my opinion on this. But yeah, other than that, when it comes to quality, I think it's like really good, and also with the noise cancellation. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, it's Manish.